kuthini lokho impumalanga kusinathi sibe hosta ma teams lamani ku Premier Cup etoba ikanyamazana Stadium mhla ka 19 July.
It's a motivation coach ukuthi ubone igovernment ingenela ngalendlela ingenela ngakhona. Remember lamalanga lawo we used to see it ku KZN. KZN is the one that used to have this Premier Cup, but manje ibuya ku province yethu. Almost every season now the Premier uyivulile ukuthi kube ne Premier's Cup, and it's now ke lama team njengoba usho sinanga about 4 teams in a participate. To us as football lovers, as citizens of the province, it's really motivation to see the government yaseMpumalanga ithatha initiative yokuthi ipartake ibe part and parcel of football ukuthi yakhe tournament lefana lendlela. And I'm happy ukuthi seyisukile